We're in Gainesville, Florida, flipping the De Las Alas family's backyard while they're enjoying a relaxing day at a state park. The crew is racing against the weather.
This rain is barreling down on us, isn't it?
It is, it is. When we first started, we were on track, everything was moving well. It's 3 o'clock. We still have plants to put in the ground. We still have mulch to put on the ground.
Today's flip consisted of over 200 plants and trees, 1,500 pounds of mulch, and over 3 tons of pavers. That's a lot to put in place in one day.
This is how you get a whole lot of mulch in the backyard real fast.
The crew is putting in plants that can thrive in this Central Florida environment. But picking the right plant is just as important as picking the right place.
Right plant, right place. I mean, what does that really mean?
Right plant, right place is one of the principles of the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program. We think about those environmental conditions of our yard, and we select the plants that naturally thrive in those environmental conditions.
And I think a lot of people have that experience of buying something that looks gorgeous, and then they stick it in the ground, and it just dies.
And we can put a plant in a landscape, but it's like on plant life support the entire time it's there. So by just taking that little extra time, and you can look at that tab that comes on your plants, or reach out to your county extension office, you can select those plants that do best in your landscape, and it really makes for a better, well-rounded, low-maintenance yard.
When you talk about a native plant, is there any more of an iconic plant in Florida than this one?
And this is the native Kunti, but this is a tough-as-nails plant. It's drought-tolerant. It really likes the well-drained soils, full sun. It's very adaptable to a lot of landscapes all throughout the state.
So what do we have over here, Taylor?
This is a non-native plant, but it's called the bulbine frutescens, and it creates these beautiful orange-yellow flowers that bloom almost year-round. So you're going to see pollinators attracted to this, and it adds a really nice soft texture to any landscape.
Where do people start on this Florida-friendly journey?
Reach out to your county extension office. Your county extension office has all the resources you need to help get you going. We have education programs as well as those resources and materials that we can give out to the community to help them start to convert their yard to a Florida-friendly landscape.